You want to drink lot of cigarettes, you distribute cigarettes to lot of people. आपको लेना है, लोगे 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 लोगे. अरे क्या लोगे लोगे, अरे क्या आधा दिन पूछता है, छोड़ देता है, कंटाला है. You understanding that it itself your urge for it and you distribute it will make it nullified. It's a very strong, experienced formula, but you need to put it into practice. Any bad habit you want to cut.
That's it.
You do it and it will go. Where were you? We were at the diet
Dinner.
at the dinner part.
For acidity, milk, cold milk and something soda, something.
Kacha दूध, ड्यूब का सोडा, तकमरिया.
What is
तकमरिया है sabja. Sabja. Sabja, what you put into water. What you put into water and it blows up like this. In Faluda they put it. By which the heat is neutralized in the body, and then and glucose the powder. Anyone else who's wanting to have to ask diet, you want to ask anything? You rub a lot of ice around the eyes. Please take napkin and rub a lot of ice on the eyes. I'm telling you what I told you. You've already changed the diet. The heat from the stomach is going to the eyes. Is your eyes number minus? Is it minus or plus? See, her eyes, she's having burning in the eyes, and eyes number is there, eyes are red. Anything red confirms heat from the stomach is going to the eyes. So what I told her, just rub ice around the eyes. So when you are rubbing ice around the eyes, what will happen? The heat will come down, and even the numbers will change. Anything else? But I will just tell you one. Respect the organs of the body. They are your servants till you die. You will value your dress. You will value everything. You will value all important meetings that are giving money. But you start valuing the organs that are giving endless service. And it will promise to give you double service till you live. So this is my earnest request to you, whoever are present, that please respect your organs. Be aware of what you eat, of what you think when you eat, and your organs will function in a very good way. Anyone wants to come and ask what diet they want to have, you can please come. Yeah. This is for more of acidity in the stomach. Anyone wants to ask what diet to have?
Mainly acidity, these are the things.
Lot of goodie. Take lot of green leafy vegetables. More of green leafy vegetables because it contains lot of oxygen and it is alkaline. I take it from someone from volume, or maybe you can ask Dawa Wala something. At which pharmacy? Zoroastrian pharmacy is available. This gentleman is at Zoroastrian pharmacy. Thank you. Anyone else? Anyone who would like to come and ask the diet?
What is available at Zoroastrian pharmacy?
The pendulum. Anyone is interested to know the diet, please come. Come and practice now. So, you will put into practice. I will try to. I will. The beauty of each and every exercise is that you really put into practice and you bring a change in your system. Otherwise, going is not worth it. Say loudly.
अरे बताने क्या नहीं
Hindi.
एवरीबॉडी
સવારે ચેનલમાં પેન્ડલમનો બારેમાં આવે
કઈ ચેનલ ઉપર ન્યૂઝ
See, I would like to have someone who would really implement and call me up and tell me after 7 days I've done this and this is the change. I want someone very serious. खाली देखेगा आएगा नहीं. I'm very committed to what I say and do. So if you are ready to do it and you want to call me up and follow it up, then otherwise I don't want to waste my time. I'm very serious on it. Will you do it? After 7 days you might let me know. Or after 10 days, what is the change? That is why I've given to each and every person this diet chart. You all do it. If you cannot find the diet with yourself, you all can come to me. I don't want money from you. We'll discuss the diet. After 10 days, you see me again and experience the change yourself. It's very important that when you listen to something, you implement in your life and experience the change. Otherwise, coming, going, attending is not going to help or change your system or lifestyle. You can do it ourselves, provided you know how to use pendulum very effectively. Provided you know how to do it. I have given you the diet chart. If you all want, you can definitely come to me, take my time. We can work out a diet program for you and see me after a month. But it's important that you all follow it because your whole system inside will change. I don't mind, I'm open for everything because I won't follow and follow up. Just not once. Because once your system starts changing, you will experience the change. My speaking, my getting 10 patients over here, my talking, your clapping is zero value. Your experiencing a change is a reward. And your having the change is a reward. And you following some system and you being your master is a reward. Not being dependent on me or anyone else. What do you say? You're not interacting with me, please. I'm very unhappy. I feel very sad.
That pendulum, because of the momentum, it can move on its own direction also, partially. There is a possibility.
Please understand one thing. The wind moves on its own. You are growing on your own. You are not doing anything. It's only happening. And you are only Sakshi and you are only an observer. So when you are only an observer, actually you are doing nothing, but you are only energy. The moment you will understand that you are nothing and everything else is already there, then you will just become silent and you will feel, I am just nothing. It is only the beauty of silence that you will experience it. It's just that and nothing else.
You are touching the index finger and you are asking the question, what is making the pendulum move so fast? And actually, sometimes it doesn't move. As you are asking the question, it's moving with so much energy.
It is what is happening. This is not our subject today, but since you are asking the question, I am asking a question. The energy from the opposite person on that question is being transferred through me into the pendulum and the answer comes. And when wider the circle, the answer is yes. Because we said before only energy cannot be created, cannot be destroyed, it's only transferred. So it's only that transference of energy. Have you seen any time? The moment you eat poisonous food or anything junk, your system gets bad and you go into diarrhea or vomiting. It doesn't say, it will show the silent symptom. So you can feel it. So energy will show itself in the form of signals and you need to change immediately. You just need to change immediately at that moment itself.
What about non-veg?
What about non-veg means? What?
Non-veg is not listed here.
What
It's
is
not listed non-veg.
We don't advocate non-veg food at all. Why we don't advocate non-veg food? Because the non-veg food that is already